Hello my lovelies, I hope you are doing great. So in this video, we are going to solve for this problem where we are given that ABCD is a square and it contains two circles with a different radius. We can see that, right? And we need to calculate the area of the square. So let's get started and see how we're gonna do that. Now we have this figure. So let's just mark the centers of the two circles and let's just take the radius of the smaller circle as small r and radius for the bigger circle as capital R. Now, if this length is representing this radius of the smaller circle, so this much length is also going to be small r. And similarly, if this is the capital R, which is the radius of the biggest circle, so this length is also going to be capital R. So this entire side length BC is going to be capital R plus small r plus 40. Now we can see these points, right? These points are nothing but the point of tangencies. So let's just name these points first of all. Now we have this theorem which says tangents drawn from an external point on a circle are of equal length. Here AL and AK are the tangents to the smaller circle. So using the theorem, if AL is 20, AK is also going to be 20. And if we talk about this BK is going to be equal to this small r. Now this entire side length AB is going to be 20 plus r. Similarly, on the other side, if we talk about this bigger circle here, DM and DN are also the tangents to the circle. So if DM is 18, DN is also going to be 18. And here length of the CN is going to be capital R. So the entire side CD is going to be 18 plus R. Now we can equate BC with AB or BC with CD as they are sides of the square, and we know sides of the square are equal. Here we are equating BC and AB and substituting their value, will get this expression, and on simplification we'll get the value of capital R as 6, which is nothing but the radius of the bigger circle. Now we have the value of this capital R, so we can solve for the side of the square, which is 18 plus R. So side is going to be 18 plus R. Substituting the value, will get the side as 24. Now we have the side, we can solve for the area of the square, which is area is equal to side square. So it's going to be 24 square, and on simplification my area is going to be 576 square units. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.